Howdy, my name's still Ted. I'm still a squid. You'll probably notice I haven't made very many videos lately. I'm a busy squid. I'm a busy squid. So I'll be honest. I don't know how many videos I'm going to make in the future. I think I might just make one video a month. Maybe. I'm doing stuff, but I still want to show you the stuff that I'm doing. So let's go take a look. All right, I'm going to work with the OBS, and I'm going to change it right now while you're watching. I don't like the way that it's displaying this right now. Oh, this is cropped, isn't it? Oh, I don't like it being cropped. Here we go. There. You get to see all of spiders all at the same time, but I'm supposed to be here too. Where am I? Get up here. There I am. Hey. So OBS, it's pretty cool. Look, I can just move myself around. I gotta be more creative with all this stuff. But anyway, so I've talked about the predator-prey reinforcement learning project that I've been working on for a fair amount of time now. And the last time I talked about it, I mentioned some changes that I'd like to make, and I've made those changes. So let's take a look at it. I've decided that if the predator can get energy from the prey by colliding with the prey, then the prey, prey needs to eat too, but they're vegetarian, so they're going for the flowers. And well, let me just show you this. So the big change I made, the best change is these are no longer circles or spheres. They're ducks. So there's a red duck, and the red duck is trying to collide with the blue duck. And the blue duck, I've also introduced a minimum speed, which means that I can't pin the prey in one place. So the prey is actually just going in a circle as slowly as it can. But look at that. He's pretty successfully finding that prey every time. Now I'm gonna close this, and let's take a look at. Oh, I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Oh, there we go. Okay. Here's the prey. I think the prey is way more impressive than the predator. Look at that. So the prey is a blue duck, and it wants flowers, which are spheres of random color every time. And when it touches a flower, that flower disappears because the prey eats the flower. And then another flower pops up somewhere at random. And look at how fast it goes. That's, oh my gosh, I'm just really impressed with this guy. So let's see what happens when we set the two against each other. They've never met each other before. The red duck and the blue duck. They've never really played together at the same time. So let's see what that looks like. Here we go. So the blue guy, I'm pointing as if you can see where I'm pointing on my own screen. The blue guy wants to find the flower, but sometimes he'll run at the predator because he's never met the predator before, and he doesn't realize the predator isn't a flower. He doesn't realize that the predator is going to eat him. But sometimes the predator, like that time, it goes for the flower because it's never seen a flower before, and it doesn't realize that it can't eat a flower. Oh, run away! Oh, no! This is... I'm engaged. I don't think that these are sentient beings, but I think when the Wright brothers made a plane, they didn't make a plane that could get 100 people across the Atlantic. They made a little plane that could get one person a couple hundred yards. So this isn't a sentient being. These aren't sentient beings, but we're on our way. I'll bet we'll get sentient beings and computers in, I don't know, a couple hundred years, maybe. I don't know. Don't. Well, I'm getting a PhD. That means you have to trust me, right? Here. So let's make this a little bit more complicated. What if there are multiple predators and multiple prey at the same time, and multiple flowers? Here. Look at that. So all of the prey and all of the predators are controlled by the same prey or predator neural network. And yet they still sort of get along with each other. I love the predators catching one prey and then they turn around and they say, "Where's the other prey?" They've never encountered two prey at once before, but they take to it quite naturally. I could just watch this for hours. Here, let's zoom in. We're zooming in on these ducks. Ooh. So I think this is working nice. It's not done, but if you want to play around with it, it's on GitHub. I've been learning to use GitHub lately. I've actually been using GitHub, so I can make a change and see if that change works. And if it does work, then I can push that change all the way to I can push to the origin. And if it doesn't work, well, then I can reach to the origin and pull it back and say, give me one that works again. I want something that works. Oh, look at that. So I'm still doing stuff. I mean, I'm a busy guy, so I'm not making very many videos, and that's fine. One video that's not even a talking squid video. Oh, well, I mean, I am a squid. Look at all the tentacles I've got. Whatever. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. By the way, I've got a Patreon at patreon.com/Thinkstr. I want to thank all these squidlings and elder squids. Thanks.